How we doing, ladies and gents, boys and girls? My name's Tom Dye. Welcome back. Today, we are making the Bar Drake Manhattan cocktail, the signature cocktail of the Sir Francis Drake Hotel in San Francisco. So this is a twist on the classic Manhattan cocktail. Definitely one of my favorites. Has this nice sweet edge to it, and you're really gonna like it. Plus, I'm putting in there my own little twist, so it's gonna be even better. So we're kicking off with a large shot of your favorite bourbon. I'm just using Jim Beam because this is what is available to me right now, but you can use whatever you want, really. One shot of Fonseca Port. And then just a quarter of a shot of maple syrup. Normally, you would put in next some Angostura bitters, but I'm using some chocolate bitters. It's gonna go super well with this drink. It's super deep, super rich, and 3 dashes of chocolate bitters is just gonna give you that nice chocolatey edge. A lot of people often ask, how long do you need to stir a cocktail for? Well, it comes down to the person drinking it really and how diluted you want it. But essentially what you're doing when you're stirring is you're chilling the cocktail and you're adding some dilution to the cocktail. So it depends how cold you want it and how much dilution you want in your drink. But the best tip that I can give you is you just gotta taste it. Taste it, mate. Oh yes. And for me, that is good to go. Garnish, we've got a cherry on a pick and just a little bit of edible glue on the base of the glass and a piece of chocolate. Yes. And that is the Bar Drake Manhattan. Give it a little taste. Delicious! Delicious! If you're not a big fan of boozy cocktails, try and make this one because you may change your mind. It's a good starter to get in there because it's super boozy, but really, really palatable, really, really nice. Deep, rich. This one obviously has a nice chocolatey edge to it, fruity and delicious. You're gonna love it. Well, that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and a huge thank you to these legends who are supporting me over on Patreon. There's a link in the description down below if you want to find out a little bit more about that. But that is it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, like the video, and I shall see you next week.